Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Dear listeners, I Muhammad Shaukat usually write in Urdu language, but today I have composed some lines in the form of an English poem with the title My Hopes Are You. In fact, these lines are for those brothers and sisters who speak English language around the world. The lines are: my hopes are you, and my belief are you. Oh my Allah, oh my Allah, my hopes are you indeed. My hopes are you indeed. How marvelous are you, I can't think ever. Oh my Allah, oh my Allah, you taught me write and read. You taught me write and read. Thou art only one, the eternal refuge. O my Allah, O my Allah, Thou art ever my need. Thou art ever my need. Thou neither begets nor is born, neither to thy. O my Allah, O my Allah, none thy equivalent indeed, none thy equivalent indeed. Thou art all powerful, Thee control the universe. O my Allah, O my Allah, Thou see all my deed, Thou see all my deed. We are all your slave, and you are the king. O my Allah, O my Allah, Thee grant everything feed, Thee grant everything feed. My hopes are you, and my belief are you. O my Allah, O my Allah, my hopes are you indeed. My hopes are you indeed.